everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your cling mount stamp set. So this is a new stamp set. It's Party Puffins. Open up the stamp set and you'll notice that inside it will give you instructions of how to set up your stamp set. You'll have a sticker sheet and you will have your red rubber stamps. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this 3 different ways. Okay, so the way that your instructions show you on the Stampin' Up sheet, I will show you that one first. That is to take out your little penguin. No, that is to take out your little puffin. And he's got a insidey bit. We don't want the insidey bit. Okie dokie. And then I'm going to come over to here. You'll see that your sticker will peel off in 2 bits. Oh yeah. Okie dokie, just like so. Now I'm going to keep that little belly bit on there for now until I pull it off fully. Now, all we're going to do, we've got to be really super careful and line him up to the best of your ability. Now, these ones, if you stick it down, it's stuck and you've probably wrecked it, and it will probably try and lift your foamy bit apart. But anyway, so you just hover it over the top until you think you've got it right. And plonk him down. And then you may peel off your sticker like so and poke out his belly. Okay, so that is one way how to set up your cling mount stamp set. Okay, I'm just going to set him aside for a tick. Now, another way you can do it is I'm going to pull him out so that, see how it's just attached a little bit by the red rubber. Pull him out. I'm going to pull off the back, but then I'm going to pop him back in. Okay, just like so. Then get the sticker. I'm going to make sure I can easily get my halves apart. Okay, pull that fully off. Okay, I'm going to peel away one side. Then I'm going to be able to line him up. So you can kind of see where he's going to be. Line him up, then stick it down. Then being very careful, because this side will stick to this side if you don't put your finger in the way. Lift this up, peel back the rest of your sticker, and then you can gently place him on side. And he's ready to go. So that's another way you can prepare your stickers. Your stamps with your cling mount attached to it. But there's another super tricky way. So we're going to get our next little puffin. I hope I haven't called these penguins again. Next little puffin out, and his sticker. Now I'm just going to get that ready so I'll be able to peel that away. Now this way's a bit snazzy. So we've peeled that off. I'm going to get a clear block. I'm going to stick my sticker on the clear block. Actually, might need to do that sideways. Okay. Then pull back this part, which doesn't want to come off. Okay. Right. Now the sticker part's on there. turn our little fella over and take back this white piece, and then you can see exactly where that is. Line that up and hover over it. I'm going to just bring it in a bit more to me. And hover over, you can see where the clear sticker part actually ends, and go straight down. And that is ready to go. I'll simply put my fingernail under there and peel him off. So that's 3 different ways that you can go about putting your cling mount stamps together. Now, how to store them in your case. There's a few different ways there as well. Some people will just place them in their case however like so, and they just peel off the case easy peasy like this. I do like to keep the sticker sheet that it came from and stick them back on like so, and they're on their little sticker sheet. His belly can go back in. And I do also keep this and line it up so that I know I've got all my stamps. It's just a quicker way. When I come back to it, I go, yep, I've got them all. They're all there. I'm not missing any pieces. And away I go. So thanks for stopping by. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping.